Hello, welcome to Peace Love Houseplants. My name is Heather. So I am very excited about today's video. Today I'm going to share with you all of the growth updates of my most mature Anthurium. Thanks for sticking around. So before we get started, I just want to say thank you to the 500 plus subscribers that have joined the channel. I am super excited and I appreciate you guys so much. It's so fun to make these videos. And without further ado, let's start with my two Doc Block Michelle Home Depot specials. They've each put out a new leaf. This one over here, this is the one I originally thought I would keep for myself. It is a little ahead of the game with a new leaf there after having put this one out, but I'm not sure, I might like this one better. I really don't know. I'm gonna let them grow out and then I will see which one I like the most, or if I can even part with either of them. So moving on. So this right here, this is my Magap times Pap. Got one happy-ish leaf. Look how cool this sinus is. Velvety and dark, darker than it looks on camera for sure. But it's been through a lot. These other leaves over here went through spider mites. It was putting out a brand new leaf. It got like stuck and then twisted and twisted until it just died. So I'm not sure. This is one of my least happy Anthurium. And of course it's like one of my favorites. So wish me luck on that. But it does have first flower. So I don't know. Anyway, this is my Vichi. This is the newest leaf here. Just for reference, put my hand in there. So this plant is actually growing now that I stopped neglecting it. I brought it into the plant room. It was in the living room. I don't know why I've been mistreating it, but looking pretty cool. Here is my Clarinervium. This is its newest leaf. It also has a flower and an old dying inflow. So this is the newest leaf here. I think it'd be a pretty good size. Not my favorite, it's pretty, but it also went through the spider mite thing like a while back, so damaged forever, but still very pretty. I like that it's got a little bit of pink in the sinus on this leaf for the first time. So this one might have just a little bit. Anyway, that is my Clarinervium. This guy also struggling with the spider mites, but now they should be gone. But the damage is done. Also much darker than, looks actually more like this one in the dark back there. Super beautiful plant. I really wish the spider mites hadn't destroyed it. That is spider mite damage, if you haven't seen it. And this is my Marshalini Dad Bod times RA6, and it's long and cool. I love the sinus. I love the contrast in the colors. Move it over here so you can kind of see that bright sinus and that dark velvet leaf. Super pretty, I love it. Let's go back up here. This is my Crystal Blush crystal blush. This is my crystal blush. This is its newest leaf right here. Also a pretty good size. Got a couple of nice inflows. Thank you, Oliver. And I actually used the pollen from this inflow and put it on my next anthurium right here. This is one of my absolute favorites. This is my Hoffmani Mad Forgetii. It's super cool, and it's put out a couple of inflows. Got this one right here. We're going to take a closer look at this one. But over here, I did something without telling you guys. I totally pollinated this inflow with the silver blush. You can see it's starting to get bumpy. It's a good sign. Who knows if we'll actually get seeds from this plant right here. And the pollen parent is right up here. So who knows? Maybe we'll get some babies. Let's keep our fingers crossed, because I come and check it every single day. And then up here, oh yeah, let's look at this inflow. So I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it's starting to get into its receptive phase. Can you see some of that shimmering kind of liquid on there? It's definitely becoming receptive, so if I wanted to, I could put some pollen on that, but not with this other inflow already impregnated, so I don't want to stress the plant out. So yeah, I just want to show you that. And then up here I have to move the light, is my giant Crystallinum, my very first anthurium. Actually, my Crystallinum and my silver blush I got, I believe, in the same package. Now it's got this leaf behind it that belongs to another plant, but this one in the front is the Crystallinum. It's also put out inflows. I think that's its second or third inflow. And it's got a new emerging leaf over here. Still hardening off. But yeah, it is seriously, see if I can get it in there. Seriously massive. Absolutely gorgeous and just a dream to grow. Like easy peasy. And then this guy right here, let me just move him out a little bit. This is my Block Zara that most have confirmed is probably not a Block Zara, but I do adore it. It's so pretty. It's got a little like blush in the veins there. Comes out pretty pink. Yeah, she's also got her inflows. I love this plant. I don't care if it's like a no ID. It's kind of a shame. I wish I knew exactly what it was, but it's okay. Still love it. And then just for funsies, a little extra, I just want to show you the emerging leaf on this no ID Zara Michelle that I got from Poison Ivy Plant Lady. It is super pink. It is so beautiful. I love this anthurium. Love. And that is that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you for being here. It's so cool that I get to share my anthurium journey from the very beginning on this channel. So it's exciting, and I have a lot of plans for these plants. I have a lot of beautiful anthuriums that I haven't shown you, and so we've got a lot of work to do. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a little thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel so you can come back next time, and let's grow together.